All right, class, in this video, I'll be doing example 1 from section 15.2. And it states, the marginal revenue in thousands of a company is modeled by the function capital R prime of x, where x is the number of units sold. If no revenue is produced when x is equal to 0, what is the total revenue in the 8th year of operation? All right, so the problem is asking to find the total revenue. However, a marginal revenue function is given. And we know that the antiderivative of a marginal revenue function will equal a total revenue function. So we have to take the antiderivative of 2x plus 1 times x squared plus x minus 2 to the 1/3 power. And to do that, we're going to have to use U-substitution. We're going to let u equal x squared plus x minus 2. So the derivative of u with respect to x is equal to 2x plus 1. And if you multiply both sides by dx, the change in u is equal to 2x plus 1 times the change in x. We're going to rewrite the integral. We're going to rewrite it so the x squared plus x minus 2 comes first, and the 2x comes after it. Because now you can see that x squared plus x minus 2 is the u, and the expression 2x plus 1 times dx, this is du. So we're going to rewrite the integral as u to the 1/3 power du. And the antiderivative of u to the 1/3 power is 3/4 u to the 4/3 plus c. Now we didn't start this function in terms of u, we started it in terms of x. So we need to replace the u with x squared plus x minus 2. So now we have a revenue function in terms of x. All right, so we need to find the revenue, the total revenue, in the 8th year of operation. And we haven't used the fact that if no revenue is produced when x is equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we need to find this value of c so we can finish the problem. And again, we know that at time 0, zero revenue was produced. So this equals 3/4 to the negative, and then times negative 2 to the 4/3 power plus c. So that's why c is equal to negative 3/4 negative 2 to the 4/3 power. So the revenue function is 3/4 x squared plus x minus 2 to the 4/3 power minus 3/4 negative 2 to the 4/3 power. To answer the question, what is the total revenue in the 8th year of operation, we're going to substitute 8 in for x. All right, so in red, I'm going to put an 8 here, here, and here. And what you can do is you can evaluate this expression in Decimus. And when you do, you'll get 214.48. So the total revenue is 214.48, and I believe we're in millions here. Nope, we're in thousands. $1,000.